Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Excellent Manish. Yesterday I checked my previous video. One of my subscriber asked me, can you teach me how to use the serial number function in Excel? On his request, today we are going to learn how to use that one. Like in Excel serial number having a two-way. First you put 1, 2, 3 and cursor down, it will automatically come. But this is not the professional way. Professional way, you have to use the formula, and when you put any figure, serial number automatically came. If you leave blank, serial number will not come. That will be the professional way. So let's go to our screen. You can see on my screen there the serial number is given, name of the staff is given, date of joining is given, and the salary also given. Now I put only serial number 1. Now if I put the name here, serial number will come automatically. Here I put the name before only for your record purpose. I will show you what formula we are going to use. Is equal to if open bracket select B5 is equal to if blank is blank, open bracket, false, close bracket, comma, open quote, close quote, comma, select this number +1 and close the bracket. Why I put A4 +1? Because if the next column is blank, there's no serial number will reflect. If you put anything, the serial number will come. I will show you here. Now you drag down till here. You can see after 7 there's nothing, no serial number. But if I put any name here, you can get the serial number automatically. Let me show you. Let me make it more bold. Here STELLA Stella Monday. Okay, you see the serial number came automatically. The date of joining is the 2nd November to December 2022, and the dollar USD $2000. Now if you put more name, more serial number will come automatically, like Ravi Prakash. You find serial number came automatically, and you drag down till end. But serial number, when you put something here, then otherwise the formula given if is blank. If it is blank, the false means there is no value, and double quote open and close means nothing supposed to be reflect. If anything there, the serial number will came automatically +1. I hope you understand this very well. If anything you want to know from me, please comment. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Thank you so much.